Good morning. It's the 16th of August, 2021, and we're going through the Storm daily morning meeting. Just to recap, last week I think we had a very low volatility environment with the VIX getting crushed quite aggressively, S&P grinding higher, and pretty much not too much action on our day trading front. But hopefully this week looks set to be quite a big one and quite a interesting one, especially on our Aussie, and a couple of decent opportunities hopefully rear their heads. Over the weekend we obviously had Middle East conflicts with Afghanistan. We had COVID sort of rearing its head in the States, I think quite aggressively. Still muted action on Friday. Action obviously with the 10-year pulling quite a bit to 127. Let's quickly maybe just have a quick look at that. And so sort of tech leading the way higher, quite a lot higher. So I think the 10-year will be one to pay attention to during the week. We had Michigan consumer confidence quite weak on Friday, and obviously that led to that coming in quite aggressively. We've got retail sales and GDP on Wednesday, so those are the big data points to look forward to. Looking at our market today, I think it's a massive week. There's been quite a lot of numbers out this morning. I think you've got obviously Tencent down 3%. You've got Billy's down about 0.5%. So I think our Aussie might struggle a little bit this morning. In saying that, on Friday we had some serious corporate action or out of process in Naspers, and some seriously decent trading action actually. I think that's the space that you want to be focused on this morning. I think just have a look at process. I know that you've got Tencent down obviously quite a lot this morning, but I think these are stocks just to follow the trade action, and the traffic's quite clear. So just a couple of levels there, 1306, which process closed above on Friday, is quite bullish. Obviously, you do have maybe some fears around Wednesday's numbers out of Tencent, but let's watch the action out of these process this morning. So 1306 and 1311 are sort of the levels, and lower than that, I think we'd rather have the stock stay above there if you want to be long of it. Naspers is the next one that we want to be watching. Friday was just massive volumes, big trading range between 28.30 and 27.50, decent trading opportunities between there. I think 10-cent obviously Wednesday, the guidance will be very important on the stock. Let's watch how this. You don't have to get involved early. You can sort of see patterns in the stock, and let's see what's happening after the results on Friday, the corporate action. Absa this morning's out with results. I think they had a broker upgrade on Friday, so this is one that I think we can look to accumulate on any weakness. Hepsa's 10.019, which is ahead of, or sort of top end of the trading update. I certainly think this is a stock that you can look to and pull back. So keep an eye on that today. Let's see if we can get above 150. Quite important area. Sasol also out this morning with their results. Been really sort of frustrating stock. Hasn't really got going. The rest of the commodity markets moved quite aggressively, and this hasn't moved. The results I don't look particularly good to me. I think a lot of guys are still also concerned about their ESG footprint, and they just certainly can't get going. So I'm watching. I'm going to watch the stock this morning. If it shows any weakness, this is one that you could potentially look to get short of. Support area 201. I think I wouldn't be preempting. I think this is a stock that the trade action speaks for itself. And Northams this morning also came out. Northams was obviously out there on Friday with their trading updates. Their HEPS are between 26.50 and 27. I think estimates were 27. So pretty decent update. I think guys looking for divvy coming out of their numbers. I think their numbers only are in September. But I think one to watch. I think it traded right into the close at 22.50, sort of, where you want it, where you can get confident and start pressing on any longs. Right, that's all for today. Good luck out there. So the process, Naspers, Absa, and Northams are, sort of the stocks will be in play.